fairly fresh to this whole flat Earth, globe Earth debate.
Sextant could only work on a flat plane.
I hope it's not going over your head.
I mean, some of it I am struggling to understand, so it's possible I'm missing bits of it. That's absolutely possible.
Could be just fighting against a cognitive bias that you have.
I certainly think that's something that humans struggle with, myself included.
Indeed. I should have more empathy, but the arena has rubbed all that out of me.
Doesn't prove a sphere. The reason I brought it up is because I'm curious to know how it works on something flat.
Triangulate yourself with the 3 different positions because they're crossing at 2 different points when you've only got 2. So you could be at either of these 2 locations, and when you get the third, you've got an exact location. But that means that all 3 of these circles are all circles of equal altitude with straight lines to get 90 degrees to the GP of the star. Well, this straight line here, and this straight line here, and this straight line here are necessitated to do the triangulation, meaning that all 3 of these circles are all circles on the same level plane.
Sextant could only work on a flat plane because you can't achieve an angle without 2 straight lines. You need a corner, a vertex. A curved line does not allow for a vertex or a corner.
Yeah, exactly. I would agree with that.
There was something he said about drawing a straight line to the horizon, which runs contrary to the rebuttal to the black swan. You can't hold both those positions, that you're drawing a straight line to the horizon and that the horizon's refracted.
The baseline has to be 0. It has to be flat. It has to be a straight line. So the refraction has no meaning to the use of a sextant once your star is 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 miles away at its GP. It is getting the correct angle to it, and no optics could affect it.
He mentioned flippantly the South Celestial Pole and refraction. Number one, the South Celestial Pole, that's an imaginary point in the sky. He also mentioned refraction. I don't think you realize what you're saying. It's much like the imaginary point in the sky, because when you bagak refraction, that's terrestrial refraction. You're within a paradox off a mother begging the question fallacy. The paradox is that you got curved atmosphere or curved gases. Gases have no inherent shape. They don't curve, and then you have to know the radius. So when you just flippantly put those terms out, get ready to get your ass handed to you.